For over 30 years, Allflex has consistently delivered high-quality, flexible printed circuits to a variety of diverse industries. What begun as a quick-turn prototype and low-volume production manufacturer of single-sided and double-sided flex circuits has since expanded to include multi-layer, extended-length maxi-flex, rigid flex, sculptured flex, flexible heaters, in-house assembly, and now CatheterFlex circuits.
CatheterFlex circuits are an extended length circuit that are custom designed to reduce your assembly time and increase spacing by replacing traditional lead wires. We built various products from single-sided and up to 8 conductive layers in one single flex. These circuits can range in length from 24 inches to an excess of 100 inches in length, with a conductive trace and spacing down to 2 mils or 50 microns in width. Depending on density, CatheterFlex circuits are designed for your specific application with signal, power, shielding layers, in one complete interconnect package. Studies show that CatheterFlex circuits can reduce our customers' catheter wire stringing and assembly verification time by up to 90% over traditional wire constructions.
Our CatheterFlex circuits are being used across the medical device industry today. Customers are converting existing catheters designed initially with wires for reduced manufacturing time and increased yields. They are also using them within next-generation devices and completely new catheter platform projects. Applications for our CatheterFlex circuits span from the simplest temperature monitoring probes to the most complex catheters with over 100 signal channels. These circuits offer flexible circuit solutions for structural and electrical mapping, visual diagnostics using microcameras, thermal and cryoablation therapy, along with tying in critical device and tissue temperature sensing. The possibilities are truly endless across cardiac, venous, pulmonary, gastrointestinal, and any other catheter application. With our innovative ultra-long, ultra-low profile flexible circuit technology, these CatheterFlex circuits can electrically connect to the distal end hardware of almost any catheter and run the entire length of the catheter into the proximal handle, or even all the way to the connector with continuous, uninterrupted electrical traces.
Allflex believes that speed and accuracy are a key to your success and satisfaction. We work closely with our customers to provide design feedback and take your idea from conceptual phase all the way to full production. We can act as an extension of your engineering department by creating the design in less than a week and quoting in less than 24 hours. We have quick turn capability in-house, ranging anywhere from 2 to 6 weeks, depending on layer count and design complexity. Allflex is always pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and we look forward to partnering with you on your next design.